Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's episode, we're bringing you another liqueur. This is Trader Vic's Macadamia Nut Liqueur.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Mm-hmm.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt.
So you can watch me drink these sweet, sweet beverages.
We like them so much.
Matt.
We know the audience likes them, so
do your
this
thing.
is the Trader Vic Macadamia Nut. It comes in this cool
It's a cool bottle.
pear-shaped bottle, I guess you want to call that, with this glass stopper.
It's like a giant perfume bottle.
It really does. The old one used to have a ship on it, but now it's got this, I don't know, looks like a African tribesman of some sort. I'm not really quite
Is
sure.
that glass on glass for the topper? Or
Yeah, it is. It's got a little plastic between it, but yeah, but it's got, that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it looks really nice, and it's nice. It's not as heavy as I would have thought, but it works. But yeah. So anyway, Trader Vic's Macadamia Nut started by Victor J Bergeron, and aka Trader Vic, and when he worked at his dad's grocery store previously, and he lost a leg as a child, he learned how to tell stories about how he lost his leg, because that's what normal people do. But hey, he's an eccentric guy. So in 1932, he opened up a pub across from the grocery store because he's a smart man. What do you need to do after you shop for groceries? Go drinking and eat. So he opened it up, and it's called Hinky Dinks, which is an interesting name. And they made fruity cocktails and Polynesian food, which, hey, was the whole tiki thing back then. So in 1936, it was rated the best restaurant in San Francisco, except for it was actually in Oakland. That's how good it was, which is pretty funny. And overnight, he became Trader Vic's instead of just being his real name. So that's the place called. And so the whole place was decorated in moonlight and beaches and pretty girls. So you go on this pretty tropical vacation without actually ever leaving this cool restaurant. So he also invented the Mai Tai in 1944. So that's pretty important. And then he brought it to Hawaii in the 50s and expanded to multiple restaurants. I think at the peak, there were like 21 and then they're down to like 18 again, something like that. So but they were really popular apparently in the 50s and 60s with their tiki themes. But with tiki themes getting more popular again today, they're starting to pick up and adding new restaurants. So there's only 3 left in the U.S., but most of them are actually in the middle. There's 11 in the Middle East for some reason, which is very interesting. But I don't know why, but that's where they have a bunch of them. But so it's interesting. So this particular liqueur is actually made with Hawaiian macadamia nuts, and it's 53 proof, and the rest of it is a secret, apparently, because that's all I can find on the internet about. It's like, and the rest we're not telling you. I'm like, alrighty then.
Oh, God, that smells so good.
It's
Macadamia nuts
love this, though.
Macadamia nuts don't have sugar in them.
They don't, but it's a liqueur. They add sugar, of course. It's Hawaiian tropical treat.
It smells really good.
It smells so
awesome.
sweet.
It does, but it smells awesome.
Man.
It's just super sweet, sugary, and it smells like macadamia nuts with some caramel and vanilla.
Yeah.
With, toasty butter.
Nutty.
It's nutty.
Couldn't resist. Sorry.
He's like,
that's exactly what it is. Nuts, caramel, vanilla.
Yeah. You can have a toffee ice cream.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what's that one? Tin Roof.
Yeah.
Creamy.
A lot like that. Oh, there's one. What's the other thing? There's I can't think what it is. I had it a second ago. There's something else. Oh, it's candles. That's what it smells like. A Yankee candle.
Yes.
Yeah, like if you do it a
vanilla Yankee.
The cookie, the sugar cookie.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. Exactly.
Yeah, I can totally get that.
It smells good though.
It smells like I'm going to hate it.
Yes, but that's okay.
Yes, you are. I like it though. It's very close to a hazelnut.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's
very,
not
very
sweet.
No, but it's very close to a hazelnut.
Mm-hmm.
It reminds me of the hazelnut coffee I used to drink all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
The hazelnut coffee creamer.
Yeah, it's more the creamer. It's the pump creamer.
Yeah.
It's exactly what it tastes like.
Yeah.
A shot of it like at 7-Eleven.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
It's very clingy.
It is.
Yeah, it is sticky. Do not spill this on your counter. You're going to have to clean up a mess.
Yes. Yes. I could definitely see myself adding this to a for dinner drink.
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee, hot
That'd be
coffee.
Good and iced coffee on a hot summer day.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely.
So I get everything that we listed on the nose, on the palate. It's
exactly
nutty. It's caramel. It's vanilla. It's the toffee. It's all of it.
Matt, you said this was 53
proof.
proof. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, the alcohol's not really coming through.
Mm-mm.
No,
super,
which
but-
makes it super dangerous because
Yeah.
Imagine so.
you know there's alcohol in this. You really don't.
It does not present itself at all in the nose or the palate.
No.
You know,
It's like if you want to get your drink on and get drunk and not even notice.
yeah, except for that hangover is gonna be bad.
Yeah, because of all the sugar.
Uh-huh.
I agree.
Yeah, I think this is awesome. Like you said, ice cream. It's good with like whipped cream, Cool Whip. It's good with
Ooh.
all these things.
Ooh.
That's what they recommend it. And they said it's really good over just over ice. It's good obviously
some-
for tiki drinks.
Get the whipping cream, and instead of using like vanilla extra, use this, and then heat it up and get your whipped cream.
I like this one.
Ooh. I just eat a bowl of that.
Not for children. Not for children.
Put that on a pie.
Oh, it would be awesome in a pie. Oh, you should put it in a pecan pie. It'd be delicious in that.
Ooh. Or just make the whipped cream for the pie for that.
There you go.
That would be awesome too. Both of these are good ideas.
All right. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. As he cheers out with Still Austin.
Oh, I figured that was going to happen.
Oh, what is this?
Trader Vic
Trader Vic's macadamia nut.
Macadamian nut.
Why?
Because it's delicious. That's why.
Oh.
Oh.